A noise monitoring device is used to measure and record noise levels in a specific environment. These devices are commonly used in various settings, including workplaces, construction sites, urban areas, and entertainment venues, to ensure compliance with noise regulations and to protect hearing health. How to use a noise monitoring device. 1. Choose the right device. Select an appropriate device based on the environment and the type of noise monitoring needed, e.g., occupational, environmental, etc. 2. Calibrate the device. Ensure the device is calibrated according to the manufacturer's instructions. 3. Position the device. For SLMs, hold the device at arm's length, away from your body, and at ear level if measuring personal exposure. 4. Set the parameters. 5. Conduct the measurement. Turn on the device and allow it to capture noise levels. For SLMs, take readings at different times and locations for a comprehensive assessment. 6. Record and analyze data. Analyze the data to determine if noise levels comply with relevant standards and regulations, e.g., OSHA, EPA. If noise levels exceed acceptable limits, implement noise control measures such as engineering controls, administrative controls, or personal protective equipment, PP.